And now it's time for everybody's favorite game, Sugar High or Low, where we rank the sugar content of beverages.
Hi, welcome to Sugar High or Low. I'm your host, Alexa. Let's meet your contestant.
He enjoys breakfast cereal and things that are awesome, the Dude.
Hey, dude, we're gonna rank these beverages from lowest to highest. Are you ready to play?
All right, let's play.
We're gonna first learn our daily intake for sugar. The American Heart Association recommends kids should avoid added sugars in their diet altogether. Women should consume no more than 6 teaspoons or 25 grams, and men no more than 9 teaspoons or about 38 grams. Got that?
All right, let's play.
Which of these do you think has the least amount of sugar? Cola, lemonade, energy drink, water, or sports drink?
Water.
You're right! No sugar in water!
Yeah.
Okay, dude, what do you think is the next lowest on our scale?
Energy drink! Energy
lemonade.
drink!
Wrong! Lemonade actually has 67 grams of sugar. That's like eating 15 chocolate sandwich cookies. That's the most sugar out of our beverages here today. Do you want to take another guess?
Sports drink.
Sports drink has 56 grams of sugar. That's like eating 5 glazed donuts.
Just thinking about that makes my tummy hurt.
So why would you want to drink that much sugar? Sugar-sweetened beverages can lead to obesity and even cause tooth decay and weakening bones. You have one strike left.
Energy drink!
Energy drink.
Correct.
Yes.
An energy drink has 52 grams of sugar. That's like eating 15 chocolate chip cookies. All right, dude, where do you think cola ranks?
Well, I personally would have thought that the cola would have been the most, but you already said that was lemonade. So I'm going cola, second highest.
Correct. Cola has 65 whopping grams of sugar. That's like eating 5 whole snack cakes. Here at Children's Minnesota, we're going to be making some changes.
Like what?
Well, you'll see some better for you options on our menus, in our cafeteria, and in our vending machine. You can even try to do some of these at home. Try adding fruit to your water or coming up with your own smoothie recipe.
Oh, sounds delish.
That's all the time we have here today. Thanks for playing Sugar High or Low with me, dude.
Did I win anything?
Just keep waving.